For today's video, we have to multiply sign numbers or integers. So we have here some examples. So 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. Positive 6 times positive 5, that is equal to 30. Positive 8 times positive 3, that is equal to 24. Negative 3 times positive 4, that is negative 12. Positive 5 times negative 6, that is negative 30. Negative 8 times positive 5, that is equal to negative 40. Negative 2 times negative 4, that is positive 8. Negative 7 times negative 8, that is equal to 56. Negative 15 times 3, that is equal to negative 45. Negative 20 times negative 2, that is positive 40. So, in multiplying sign numbers, the rule is if we had positive times positive, that is equal to positive. Negative times negative, that is equal to positive. Positive times negative, that is equal to negative. Negative times positive, that is equal to negative. So that means to multiply sign numbers, like sign, the result is positive. Unlike sign, the result is negative. Thank you for watching.